Hello everyone, this is a video from American English Academy. Today we're going to be learning about possessives. Stay tuned and we'll start now. Remember, I'm Mr. Kenneth Varela, your teacher. You could always find more information about American English Academy at this webpage, and you could also watch every video on our channel, on our YouTube channel. Okay, so with no further ado, let's begin and let's take a look at what possessives are and how we can build up sentences showing belongingness. For starters, here I have a question, and the question says, where is David's car? We could say pretty much the same thing in a different way, and we can say, where is his car? Okay, what is the difference between these two? The first one, it's called possessive noun, in which we grab a noun, in this case a proper noun, add an apostrophe and an S to show that something belongs to someone. In this case, the car belongs to David. That is basically the meaning of it. And on the other hand, we have possessive adjectives. Don't be misguided, right, with possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. We're going to be taking a look at the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns farther in this presentation. So just remember, two ways to show possession. One is using possessive nouns, the other one is using possessive adjectives. Actually, possessive nouns could be substituted by possessive adjectives, okay, in order not to repeat the possessive noun over and over and over again. Okay, that's basically the function of a possessive adjective, to rename the possessive noun. Okay, let's take a look at more examples. As you can see here, I have a chart in which I have subject pronouns, object pronouns, and possessive pronouns. And here is where we take a look at the difference between possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Now, the possessive adjective form for I is my. For you is your. For we is our. For they is their. For he is his. For she is her. And for it is its. Okay, one of the major confusions that we have is that we tend to confuse these two, the possessive adjectives and the possessive pronouns. Okay, they are different, and also they are found in a different part of the sentence. Okay, later on we're going to see where we can place each one of them, but I want you to take a look at this and see the difference in spelling between the possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. All right, they are also different. Now we're going to take a look at some rules, how we deal with the apostrophe and the S in terms of possessive nouns. Okay, there are some rules that we got to follow, and for starters, we have the first rule. If you look at this sentence, it says Sandy's birthday. So the rule says that we only have to add apostrophe S to proper names. Okay, names of people. In this case, Sandy's. All right. Now, the second rule. We only have to add apostrophe to names that end with an S. For example, Chris is a name that ends with an S. Therefore, we only add an apostrophe, and that's okay. You don't have to add anything else. The next rule says add apostrophe to plural nouns that end with an S. Plural nouns that end with an S, for example, the word lions. You only add the apostrophe, and that's it. You are already showing possession. Next rule says add apostrophe and S to singular nouns. Okay, We have a singular noun, in this case is the word shark, and then we add an apostrophe ns to show possession or belongingness. And finally, we add apostrophe ns to plural nouns which do not end with an s, as in the case of the word children. It's a plural irregular noun, by the way, so we only add an apostrophe ns and we are already showing possession. So pay close attention to where the apostrophe goes and when we need to add s, when we don't need to add s, okay? These are the 5 rules that you need to follow around this. Okay, so we were saying that the possessive pronouns could be substituted by the possessive adjectives. How is that? If you look at the first example we have here, which is Sandy, it's a girl, right? So instead of saying Sandy's birthday, we could say her birthday. Chris' car, we can say his car. The sea lion's flippers, we can say their flippers. The shark's teeth, its teeth. The children's book, their books. My family's homepage, our homepage. My classmates' drawings, their drawings, okay? This is as simple as it is, okay? Dealing with possessive nouns and possessive adjectives. Thank you for your attention and hope to see you again in another video from American English Academy. Thank you for your attention.